Hello and good day to Doctor and all my fellow friends. My name is SYAFIKA SHAHIRAH binti ANUAR, with number 288109. So in this video, I will present about a study on Dutch lady milk industry Berhad, performance and its determinants. Okay, now we move to the first part, which is the company background. Dutch lady milk industry Berhad has been making dairy products since 1918, including the cold milk. Its products, including family powder milk, growing milk, UHT milk, and low-fat drinking yogurt. As one of the Malaysian leading dairy producers, they put in a lot of effort to keep enhancing the nation's nutrition for coming generations. The problem and issues that happen in company Dutch lady. Based on the New Straits Times, Dutch lady Malaysia was investigating a case using their own product on 30 February 2018. An inquiry was launched in response to a consumer health issues. After receiving the complaint, the company immediately contacted the consumer and conduct the internal investigation. The objective of this research is first to ascertain the internal factor that could have influence on Dutch lady milk industry Berhad performance. Second is to identify the external or microeconomic factor that could have influence on Dutch lady milk industry Berhad performance. And the last objective is to investigate the internal and external factor that could have influence on Dutch lady milk industry Berhad performance. So for the research question is first, is there any relationship between the internal factor which Dutch lady milk industry Berhad performance? Second question is there any relationship between the external factor which Dutch lady milk industry Berhad performance? And the last is there any relationship between internal and external factor which Dutch lady milk industry Berhad performance? Next is performance of Dutch lady milk industry Berhad. A company performance is influenced by the combination of its financial and non-financial factor. Second is the financial characteristic include return on asset (ROA) and return on equity (ROE). ROA is referred to how effectively a firm uses its asset to make a profit, while for ROE is regarded as a measure of a company's profitability and efficiency in producing profit. So last point is company performance also influenced by liquidity risk, credit risk, operational risk, market risk, and also corporate governance index. There are four methodologies that has been used throughout this research, which is first, sampling technique. The information is derived from Dutch lady milk industry Berhad 5-year annual report from 2017 to 2021. Second is statistical technique. The data was imported into an Excel database to see how the ratio have changed from time to time. Next is data analysis. The dependent and independent variables were analyzed to see how they affected each other. And the last is SPSS. This study used IBM SPSS version 27 to analyze qualitative data from annual reports. Okay, this is the most important part in this research, which is the finding analysis. The first one is descriptive statistic. The company yearly profit is estimated to be about 50% based on the mean of ROA. ROE has a mean of 0.3871, meaning that for every ringgit Malaysia, the firm may make a profit of 38.71 cents. So under the operational risk, it shows that the mean of operational ratio is 0.7101, meaning that this company's management effectiveness is almost 71%. The next is correlation. Average collection period is the most significant to Dutch lady milk industry Berhad financial performance with p-value 0.004, while in contrast, exchange rate are one of the variables that not are significant with p-value 0.489. Okay, the next part is model summary. The table shows that only 3 variables that are significant to Dutch lady meet industry Berhad performance, which adjusted R square of 0.637. The last is coefficient, which p-value 0.532, 0.354 and 0.251 respectively. This study demonstrates that operational ratio, interest rate and corporate governance index are not relevant to return on asset which p-value bigger than 0.10. So, in conclusion, internal and external factor has give a greater impact on Dutch lady meat industry Berhad performance. For limitation, the data is limited to 5-year financial report from 2017-2021 only. So, for recommendation, to enhance the company's success, it is crucial to correctly manage the current ratio. I think that's all from me. Thank you.